Thank thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out tonight. I'm Aaron. I'll be performing sound effects. Sound effects for everybody. So my first one is a little bird. It sounds like this. So like maybe like a baby bird, not like a full grown bird. Like what you'd find like in a nest or something. This next is a weed whacker, like the ones that you use in your on your yard, like when you're doing yard work. It sounds like. So like it's like the plastic things hitting the blades of grass. Sometimes I do like hand motions like I'm doing it. This is a boat going by. It goes. That's a boat driving by. This is a water droplet. It goes like. That. Like a droplet coming out of the sink or something. This one, this one is. This one's a baby crying. It goes. I've been working on that one a while. I do that one at like parties, like birthday parties and stuff. When I go to them, that's all I had. I wanted to open it up to the audience. If anyone has some audience suggestions of noises I can make, I'd be glad to open it up to the audience. And nobody? Okay. Well, that's all I have, so I'll send it up to the next act. Coming up behind me, so I'll just get out of here. That's all I have. Thank you.